got a bit of Irish in them as well.
Who was that, Jamaican?
Yeah, some Irish slaves were sent there. About 20,000.
White Irish?
Yeah, white Irish.
So do they have whites in Jamaica?
Yeah, that's why they drink Irish moss and they have little remnants of history.
So Irish were also slaves?
Yeah, they were discriminated by the English.
Yeah.
That's why
The English?
they hate the English.
Unbelievable. They sent some to Australia.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why they Australians. Oh. That's why they speak like Irish.
I thought you said criminals from England.
They did send criminals, but
They forget that they were once immigrants. They don't know their history.